Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. I have a seat pad and I am sitting here on a uncomfortable seat, so we're going to see how this will work. It's kind of a nice little bag it comes with. I guess you can take this with you if you wanted to. And it's one of those ones that comes completely, the air in there, so it'll get bigger as I open it. I feel it expanding already as I open it up. What was it called? Vacuum packed. Yes. So this is it here. This would be good for, an office chair or something like that. So look at this. On the bottom here, it's got like these little rubber nubs, so it'll stay. It won't be sliding around. And then the top, it's like a U shape here, and with a lot of memory foam. Boy, it's already gotten so big. Look at how big that is. And it fit inside of this tiny little bag. No way. I had a different seat on it. You can see a different one, which actually worked pretty good. We're gonna switch it out for this one now. See how this one works. This fits on here, good. This one here, it lost all its cushioning, so that's why we're using this one here. So let's see if I go, ooh, there we go, I can sit on that. That's really comfortable there. It's kind of funny, it's got it bigger here. I wonder if I go this way. Maybe that's the way it goes, I don't know. Oh yeah, there we go, so that fits a little better. I mean, it's memory foam either way, so you get comfortable there, but yeah. It makes this chair tolerable now. That's really nice. So that's what's good about these memory foam seat cushions, because that's the part that always goes out on the chair first, is that cushion underneath it. So this makes it nice and comfy. So I'm going to say this is good. So yeah. So I guess it goes this way here. So that's kind of the way with the U shape like that. And I guess you can relieve yourself in the middle there. So really cool. I like this. Nice little thing. So, very cool. I'm going to say thumbs up on that seat cushion here. Really good. It's kind of similar to this one here, so it's nice. Probably a similar brand too, but definitely needed more comfort. So you see there's another chair back there that we needed it for too. So that's why we got a second one. So thumbs up. Very good.